Why do some people thrive under immense pressure while others buckle at the slightest sign of stress? This is a question that piques our curiosity, leading us to the concept of stress resilience, an intricate trait woven into the fabric of our daily lives. It's the secret sauce that allows some of us to navigate life's turbulent waters with grace and fortitude. So let's dive into the fascinating world of stress resilience. To understand this, we first need to comprehend what stress is. It's both a physiological and psychological response. Our bodies react to perceived threats by releasing hormones, quickening our heart rate, and heightening our senses. This is known as the stress response, a survival mechanism that's been with us since our ancestors roamed the savannas, helping us navigate threats. But here's the thing, not all stress is created equal. What may stress one person might not even faze another. This variance is due to individual differences, which are partly shaped by our genetic makeup. Some of us are born with a genetic predisposition to be more resilient to stress. Studies on heritability and gene-environment interactions have provided compelling insights into this topic. For instance, certain genes have been associated with a heightened stress response, while others seem to confer a protective effect, enhancing our ability to bounce back from adverse situations. But don't rush to blame your parents for your stress levels just yet. Our resilience isn't just down to our genes. Our mindset plays a huge role too. Certain psychological traits and coping mechanisms contribute significantly to stress resilience. Now let's delve into these, beginning with resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity, coming out stronger on the other side. It's the metaphorical rubber band that stretches under stress but always snaps back into shape. Next, we have optimism. Optimists see challenges as opportunities for growth rather than insurmountable obstacles. They're the folks who, when life gives them lemons, make a refreshing lemonade. Then there's self-efficacy, that unwavering belief in one's ability to effectively manage and overcome stressors. It's the steadfast confidence that says, "I got this," even when the situation seems dire. Lastly, we can't overlook the importance of social support. Strong interpersonal connections serve as a buffer against stress, providing comfort, advice, and sometimes just a listening ear when we're facing tough times. But it's not just our minds that are at play here. Our brains also have a significant role. Our brain, with its intricate network of neurons and chemicals, plays a critical role in how we handle stress. Let's dive into this world of neurobiology. The amygdala, often referred to as the brain's alarm system, triggers our initial response to stress. Simultaneously, the prefrontal cortex, our cognitive command center, steps in to regulate these emotional responses, helping us keep cool under pressure. But here's the kicker. Our brains are not set in stone. Thanks to a phenomenon called neuroplasticity, our brains can adapt and rewire over time, shaping our resilience. This process is influenced by neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and cortisol, which play key roles in stress reactivity and regulation. These scientific concepts might seem abstract, but they play out in real-world situations every day. Let's look at some real-life examples of incredible stress resilience. Picture high-performing athletes like Olympians who consistently face immense pressure yet manage to excel on the world stage. Consider emergency responders who remain calm and focused amidst chaos, their decisions often a matter of life and death. And let's not forget the everyday heroes, individuals who overcome personal adversities with grace and determination. Perhaps it's the single parent juggling multiple jobs, or the student navigating the challenges of a demanding academic program. Each of these individuals demonstrates remarkable stress resilience, a testament to the power of the human spirit. These stories show us that stress resilience isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving. So, stress resilience is a multifaceted trait influenced by our genes, our brains, and our mindset. It's the interplay of our genetic predispositions, neurobiology, and psychological attributes like optimism, self-efficacy, and our social support systems. Remember, stress isn't inherently bad, it's how we perceive and manage it that matters. Take a moment to reflect on your own coping mechanisms. How do you bounce back from adversity? Now let me ask you this. How do you handle stress, and how can you boost your own resilience?